watch me turn this using these into these. Hey everybody, it's me, Dan's Monsters, here again with the Monster Bomb Art video, because I've changed the name of the channel again. How confusing is that? I'm just trying to catch those algorithms. Here I am with some more of the Sketchcards of Doom that I produced some of last time and did a few of these quite a few years ago, which I put in the last video. This video has taken me forever. I've tried, as you can probably see, I hope, some new little bits, some new little ideas and editing techniques, and I'm not convinced it's worked. I'm going to be honest with you, I am not convinced whatsoever. This is my 7th attempt at trying to do a voiceover for it, and I've put that many different cuts and bangs. There goes another one. I can't actually remember where everything is, and it's taken me that long. I am just going to rattle on over the top of this and try and explain what I've done, and it may disappear. Look at those teeth. James Harren style teeth. If you've never heard of James Harren, he's a comic artist. He does a comic called Ultra Mega, among many other things. Absolutely fantastic. Go check it out. Full of monsters. We like monsters. And also, he draws some spectacular monster teeth. He's the best at drawing monster teeth. Oh, there we go. Look, if you like this kind of art, and you like horror art, and you like weird monsters, please like and subscribe. Whatever that is. I don't understand it. Anyway, so there we go. So look at those are my eyes. Those are my eyes at the moment. I'll tell you that now. So just a few details to add to these. I've done 3 of these cards altogether, by the way. At some point it's going to turn to grainy VHS video, because I had the idea of doing like why don't I do like an old VHS style video bit. I don't know when that's coming up. Oh, there's a Library of Doom. Go and check it out if you want to see some old book reviews. I've not done any for ages. I've read quite a few, but just so busy drawing this stuff and trying to edit. Editing videos is not good. I have realised I'm not really a content creator. I'm an artist, I'll give it that, but I don't know if I'm a content creator. So apologies if this is not the content that you like. But look, see, another fancy editing bit. What was that for? What was the point of that? And now everything's moved to the right. What was I thinking? This guy's going to be called... what shall I call him? I'm going to call him... Oh, there we go. His name is Bob the Soap Eater. Stop scratching my eyes. I eat soap from Lush and it makes my eyes red. Oh, there you see, that was a VHS special effect that I've got. Oh, next. We're going into the next one. Oh, more teeth. Look at the size of his teeth. I did like doing this one, actually. If you've ever noticed a lot of my work, I do like creating these sort of amorphous, big-toothed blobs. It's really, really good fun. Thank you, James Harren, for introducing me to the big amorphous blobs. I should really try and pause at some point. Oh, there's all the tools. Look, there you go. Kuretake brush pens, Pentel brush pen, and the microns. There you go. And his eyes, those are my eyes again. I should probably stop, but I'm just going to keep going. I think I'm meant to edit the audio as I go along. I'm not too sure, to be honest. Oh, another little edit. Did you like that? That was pretty good, wasn't it? Oh, man. I've just had to re-record a big chunk of audio for some reason or other because it didn't record it. So here's another little bit of me babbling on about absolute nonsense. So, again, the teeth on this one, another big James Harren. Ooh, he's great at teeth. I'm so tired. I'm so tired when and look, the flipping camera's focusing on the pen rather than the drawing as well. Brilliant. Well done, Dan. You're an expert. Steven Spielberg will be knocking on your door in about 5 minutes' time. What a guy. Coming for... Oh, there's the VHS thing. Why have I done that? VHS. And why have I moved the card right to the top of the screen? Because I'm an idiot, obviously. Anyway, back to the teeth. That was good, wasn't it? So I know I don't think Steven Spielberg's going to come knocking on my door. But these monster designs, doing the sketch cards, I do really enjoy them, even though I have quite diabolically filmed them in such an awful way. But then again, I suppose they are monsters, so it doesn't really matter, does it? They're meant to be like that. So I believe any minute now we'll be having a bit of an... Oh, I used watercolour on this one. I forgot all about that. look at that. Oh, wow. Well, that is good, that. I did enjoy doing this one. That's the Prismacolor to give the teeth a bit of a pop. I've got to say, I did very much enjoy this one. It's sort of definitely more in my wheelhouse, the weird sort of blobby creature with giant teeth. I shall do more of these. Oh! Intermission time! The sausage is made. Look, I thought I would just show you some of the studio. I've got a real problem with stationery. A real problem. I mean, look at it all. It's just getting ridiculous. I need to just like, I just bought all this. What did I buy that for? Ugh. So I have a problem with it. Also, look, here's all the toys that I've collected over the years. I thought you might like to see some of the things that I have knocking about here. Ooh, red poster. Oh, yeah. I love them. I know these. Look at it. It's just ridiculous. What am I going to do with them all? Look, Hellboy, Batman. I don't even know what half of these are. Look at that one. What's that? It's Frank. I don't think he works anymore. No. Not that I'm aware of. And then, what's all that about there? So, and then more here. Some old Todd McFarlane ones. King Kong. Ooh. Oh, we've got books, all sorts of books here. Beer! Look at that, it's beer. Whoa, look at them. They're cool, aren't they? They're fun. Love that movie. Love that movie. That was the Outpost beer, Outpost 31. It was not very nice. So, yeah. But biggest problem is this stationery. Anyway, why? Let's have a look. So, I have more sketch cards to do. I have sketched all these out, so be expecting more stuff. Not that one, that's blank. There we are. But more and more things to come. I did all these over the past couple of days. And then also, you can pick up the Daily Monsters zine from my Core 5 store. Links in the description, etc. It's got 20 monsters in that I draw on the daily basis. Don't forget, draw something, anything, every single day. Totally cheap, go and have a look. And don't forget the rules for drawing monsters. They are not real, so draw them any way you want. Forget stuff like anatomy. Who cares? Use any tool as you like. As long as you make an unholy mess. And more importantly, have some bloody great fun. Which we do, don't we? There you go. Anyway, available in my Core 5 store. Go and grab you one. Nice little Christmas present. I can't stand Christmas. Oh no. Anyway, I'll take you back to the video now. Off you go! Off you go! And we're back again. There we go. Hope you like look around the little studio tour there. So this is another shit. Oh man, this is just like, it's wiping me out. Yellow alcohol markers. Oh, I'm wearing gloves because it was absolutely bleeding freezing when I did this. I'd forgot to put the heating on in the studio, so my hands were Baltic. And thus, as you can see with the cup of tea, that's some Red Bush tea. I do like it. It's quite refreshing and very warm. In my elbow cup, which I've had for years, but I needed that. But anyway, this little yellow beauty's been hanging around in my sketchbook for ages. So, oh look, there's another fancy video effect. What was the point of that? What was the point of that? I don't think I'll be trying this out again. Recommendations that you should add like zooms in, and cuts and fast cuts, but it's just like, it's taken me so long, I don't know whether it's actually even worth it. So I'm just now exhausted and can't remember what I did with it. But anyway, so, oh, the red, gotta have the red eyes, haven't you? This is Skull-Faced Joe. Let's call him that, shall we? And he, what does he do? He stares at yogurt until it goes off with mould. His eyes, he's coming in again with those eyes. They look like my eyes. Oh, God. Oh, look, here's this fancy video effect that I can't remember why I did it. I said, look, fancy video effect. Well, back to normal, shall we? Look, guys, I just wanted to say thanks very much for everybody who's joined me. This is really bad. I realise that, but I just thought I need to get a video out, and I am just absolutely banging on. Anyhow, guys, thanks for joining. Like and subscribe if you want. Let me know in the comments what other things you'd like to see. I've got some more videos coming up, but otherwise, just be cool, everybody. And follow me on Dance Monsters if you will. And hey, buy a Daily Monsters book. Go to Ko-Fi. Bye.
Well done. You've made it to the end.